Welcome back to another video. Europe is a treasure trove of captivating countries, each with its unique blend of culture, history, natural beauty, and vibrant cities. From the romantic streets of Paris to the serene fjords of Norway, Europe offers travelers a wealth of diverse experiences, making it one of the world's most popular travel destinations. Whether you're looking for architectural wonders, picturesque landscapes, world-class cuisine, or rich cultural experiences, Europe has it all. Today we will explore some of the best countries to visit in Europe, highlighting what makes each destination special and worth exploring. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, without further ado, let's begin. France, the land of art, cuisine, and romance. France consistently ranks among the top travel destinations in the world, and for good reason. It's a country that offers something for everyone, from the cosmopolitan allure of Paris to the idyllic villages of Provence, from the stunning French Riviera to the wine regions of Bordeaux and Burgundy. Paris, the city of lights. No trip to France is complete without visiting Paris, the capital and one of the world's most iconic cities. Paris is renowned for its art, fashion, and gastronomy, and is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. The city's charming streets, lined with cafes, boutiques, and historic buildings, create an atmosphere that is both romantic and timeless. Visitors can spend days exploring its art galleries, indulging in French cuisine, and enjoying the city's vibrant cultural scene. The French countryside. Beyond Paris, France's countryside is equally captivating. The Provence region, with its lavender fields and medieval villages, offers a peaceful retreat, while the Loire Valley is known for its fairy tale castles and vineyards. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, boasts glamorous seaside towns like Nice and Cannes, and offers visitors a taste of luxury on the Mediterranean coast. Alsace and Champagne. For wine enthusiasts, the regions of Alsace and Champagne are must-visit destinations. Alsace, located on the border with Germany, is famous for its picturesque villages and world-class white wines, while the Champagne region is the birthplace of the sparkling wine that shares its name. Both regions offer stunning landscapes, charming towns, and the opportunity to taste some of the finest wines in the world. Italy, a journey through history, art, and cuisine. Italy is a country that boasts a rich cultural heritage, with its history, art, and culinary traditions deeply intertwined. From the ruins of ancient Rome to the masterpieces of the Renaissance, Italy is a country where history comes alive. Each region of Italy offers its own distinct culture and flavor, making it a country that can be explored over and over again. Rome, the Eternal City. The capital of Italy, Rome, is a living museum, filled with ancient ruins, stunning churches, and grand piazzas. Visitors to Rome can explore the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built, or wander through the ruins of the Roman Forum, once the heart of the Roman Empire. The Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, is also located in Rome and is home to the stunning St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, where visitors can marvel at Michelangelo's famous frescoes. Florence and Venice, art and romance. For lovers of art and culture, Florence is a must-visit destination. As the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence is home to some of the world's greatest artistic treasures, including Michelangelo's David, Botticelli's Birth of Venus, and countless other masterpieces housed in the Uffizi Gallery. The city itself is a work of art, with its cobbled streets, Renaissance palaces, and the iconic Duomo. Venice, with its canals, gondolas, and stunning architecture, offers a completely different experience. Known as the City of Canals, Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world. Visitors can take a gondola ride along the Grand Canal, visit St. Mark's Basilica, and explore the maze of narrow streets and bridges that make Venice so unique. Tuscany and the Amalfi Coast. Italy's countryside is as alluring as its cities. The Tuscany region, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns, is perfect for those looking to experience the beauty of rural Italy. The town of Siena and the hilltop village of San Gimignano are just a few of the many charming towns worth exploring. On the other hand, the Amalfi Coast offers dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and some of the most stunning coastal views in Europe. The towns of Positano and Amalfi are perched on cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean, offering a picturesque backdrop for a relaxing Italian getaway. Spain is a country known for its passion, energy, and cultural diversity. From the bustling streets of Barcelona and Madrid to the sunny beaches of the Costa del Sol, Spain offers a wide range of experiences for travelers. Its rich history, vibrant festivals, and delicious cuisine make it one of the best countries to visit in Europe. Barcelona Gaudi's playground. Barcelona is a city that dazzles with its unique blend of Gothic and modernist architecture, most notably the works of Antoni Gaudi. His masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, is a stunning basilica that has been under construction for over a century and is one of the most visited landmarks in Spain. Other notable works by Gaudi include Park Güell, with its colorful mosaics and whimsical structures, and Casa Batlló, a modernist building that looks like something out of a dream. Madrid, Spain's capital of art. As the capital of Spain, Madrid is known for its world-class art museums, lively plazas, and royal palaces. The Prado Museum houses one of the finest collections of European art in the world, including works by Spanish masters such as Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco. Retiro Park, with its beautiful gardens and peaceful lake, offers a tranquil escape from the bustling city streets. Madrid is also known for its lively nightlife and tapas culture, making it a great destination for food lovers. Andalusia flamenco and Moorish architecture. The Andalusia region in southern Spain is famous for its rich cultural heritage, particularly its Moorish architecture and flamenco music and dance. The city of Granada is home to the Alhambra, a stunning palace and fortress complex that showcases the intricate beauty of Islamic architecture. In Seville, visitors can experience the passion of flamenco in intimate venues and admire the grandeur of Seville Cathedral and the Alcazar Palace. Greece, the cradle of Western civilization. Greece is a country steeped in ancient history and mythology, with its archaeological sites, stunning islands, and vibrant cities attracting visitors from all over the world. From the Acropolis of Athens to the pristine beaches of the Greek islands, Greece offers a wealth of experiences for those looking to explore its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. Athens, where ancient history comes alive. As the birthplace of democracy and the cradle of Western civilization, Athens is a city where history is ever present. The Acropolis, with its iconic Parthenon, dominates the city's skyline and offers breathtaking views of the city and surrounding mountains. Visitors can also explore the ancient Agora, where philosophers like Socrates and Plato once taught, and the Acropolis Museum, which houses an impressive collection of ancient Greek artifacts. The Greek Islands, paradise on Earth. The Greek islands are some of the most beautiful and sought-after destinations in Europe. Santorini, with its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and stunning sunsets, is perhaps the most famous of the Greek islands. Its volcanic landscape and crystal-clear waters make it a popular destination for honeymooners and photographers. Mykonos, known for its vibrant nightlife and beautiful beaches, is another popular island offering a mix of luxury resorts, beach clubs, and traditional Greek charm. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, the islands of Crete, Rhodes, and Naxos offer stunning landscapes, ancient ruins, and charming villages. Switzerland, a land of majestic mountains and pristine lakes. For those who love nature, Switzerland is a dream destination. Known for its breathtaking alpine landscapes, crystal-clear lakes, and charming villages, Switzerland is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're skiing in the Swiss Alps, hiking through lush meadows, or exploring picturesque towns, Switzerland offers some of the most stunning scenery in Europe. The Swiss Alps, a natural wonder. The Swiss Alps are one of the most famous mountain ranges in the world, offering year-round activities for adventure seekers. In the winter, the resort towns of Zermatt and St. Moritz attract skiers and snowboarders from around the globe, while in the summer, hikers and cyclists can explore the region's scenic trails. The Matterhorn, one of the most iconic peaks in the Alps, is a must-see for any visitor to Switzerland. Lakes and villages. Switzerland is also home to some of Europe's most beautiful lakes, including Lake Geneva, Lake Zurich, and Lake Lucerne. The towns that surround these lakes, such as Lucerne and Montreux, are picturesque and perfect for leisurely strolls and boat rides. Switzerland's charming alpine villages like Grindelwald and Interlaken offer visitors a chance to experience traditional Swiss culture and hospitality. Europe is a continent rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, offering an incredible diversity of experiences for travelers. From the romantic streets of Paris and the historic ruins of Rome, to the stunning landscapes of the Swiss Alps and the idyllic Greek islands, Europe is a destination that caters to every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment, the countries of Europe offer endless opportunities to explore and discover. Thank you for watching.